Alrighty, so let's go ahead and continue the process here. And now we simply need to create a Spring Data REST repository for our states entity. So in our DAO package, I'll create this new Java class, but we select interface again. And so here we give the name of state repository. Alrighty, so here's our state repository. A similar thing as before, we say extends JPA repository. And we give state, comma, integer. And so for the imports here, make sure you import the correct state from our entity package. Okay, so this looks great. So we have our entity class and also our primary key. And we'll just repeat the process here of setting up our annotations here for this given repository. And also remember, we're going to create a special finder method here, or query method, for finding states by the country code. So they'll pass in a param code. It'll be a string param. And so this will allow us to get the states for a specific country code. So not all the states, only the states for a given country. For example, code equals IN for India. And remember, this is very useful for our user interface, where the user will select a country first, and then we want to populate the states based on the user's selected country. So that's why we have this method in place. Alrighty, so that's the coding for that. We're in really good shape. Let's go ahead and run it and test it out. And then I'll open up a new tab here, and I'll visit localhost 8080/API/states. And here's our data. And this all looks pretty good, but this is for all of the states. Let's retrieve states for a given country code. So I'll do a /search, find by country code, code equals IN. And so this will give me all of the states for India. I can do a similar thing here for US. And also I can do a similar thing for Turkey, code of TR. Alrighty, so this is great. So we have our REST API for retrieving countries, and we also added that query method for finding by country code, so we can get the states for a specific country code. So I like it. This looks really good.